How to add a new vendor to the Wcart marketplace. To start, navigate to the bottom of the homepage. Locate and click on the Sell with Us link. You will be directed to the vendor recruitment page. This page outlines the benefits of joining our platform. Click the Register Now button to scroll down to the application form. The first step is to provide the basis details. Enter the vendor's first and last name, a valid email address, and their mobile number. Next, input the vendor's physical address, including the state, city, country, and PIN code to ensure accurate logistics and tax calculations. Set a secure password for the vendor's account. Now, enter the store info. This includes the brand name, business type, and a brand slug for their custom URL. To finalize the setup, enter the vendor's register number and GST number. Then, provide their bank details, including the account number and branch, to enable automated payouts. Once all fields are complete, click Register Now to officially add the vendor to the system. To verify the new account, go back to the top of the page and click Login. Enter the email and password you just created for the vendor and hit the Login button. You'll reach the vendor dashboard. This is where the vendor can monitor their business performance. By clicking on Total Products, you can view and manage the vendor's inventory. And the Total Orders section allows the vendor to track buyer information. Thank you for watching.